Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci princess from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to give you a quick setup that I see here in Pfizer that includes a couple of symmetrical points, a 618 and a 786. The setup zone for you is 35.87 to 36.11. We have bounced, and if this low is in place from January 4th, the target is going to be 44.93. And the second target is going to be 47.29. Of course, what I want you to watch out for is the resistance on the way up at 39.67 to 39.83. What is the next question that we ask ourselves is, has it triggered on a 15-minute? And yes, it has. It actually triggered all the way back here. So then what do? We look for a closer setup zone, because we are further away from that original sort of setup zone, but not that far, 35.87 to 36.11, and we are sitting at 37.17. We did bounce from that 36.82 today, which is a symmetrical point that I have for you there. If you would like to use that as your new zone of risk, you can, but you are not far away from the original setup zone anyway. The target off of this smaller setup zone, smaller time frame, is going to be 38.10 and 38.45. But of course, the original setup zone here is 35.87, 36.11, with the target being 44.93. I hope all of you have a very, very wonderful night, and you're having a great 2021 so far. And I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to come and join us in the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.